Okay, welcome back to Automotive Tales. It's a very important day here at HQ 2.0 because behind one of these doors is a big empty space, but it's about to not be a big empty space. It's about to be a big empty space filled with a very small little car. So you can already see the Land Rover has been moved. We've cleared all the space in front of the garages. So it's the very end door here that we're going to have open, which currently has the BMW Cabriolet sitting right up in the rafters because we're going to use the space underneath. Well, this is very exciting. Time for delivery. And just like that, Turin's tiny masterpiece is home. Ignore the skip. It's there. So, just like that, I'm in what I believe is possibly one of the most beautiful cars in the world. So, if you're not familiar with it, this is a Fiat 850 Sport Coupe. So 903cc, inline 4, rear engine, water-cooled Fiat.
A few
weeks
later.
Hello and welcome back to Automotive Tales. On today's episode, I am taking the Land Rover to the scrapyard. Now you'll notice it has been quiet on the channel, so today's video we're going to do a bit of an update on things that are going on. Starting with, well, starting a Land Rover. Almost. It's alive! Of course, I have chosen one of the hottest days in July, which isn't difficult because it's been the wettest July pretty much forever, to go and sit in a tin box with, it's just very warm, so time to put the air conditioning on. Ha-ha! So today I'm actually going to use the Land Rover for doing a little bit of towing, but I need to take all these bits out of the front because we've been clearing the old workshop. The Land Rover has become a storage place for its own bits. Interestingly, this thing here, this is a PTO from a series Land Rover that I found in my workshop. Random. This isn't a series Land Rover though, without a standard transmission, so, but I don't know what I'm going to do with this. But like, it's seriously cool. It's ex-army specs, it's all covered in wax and this grease-proof paper, which is quite cool. So this is being placed here, and this is why things have slowed down, because this is now HQ 1.0, and my nice tidy workshop is now completely unusable. So I've been fighting with getting all of this in, and my next job is to try and sort all of that out. But first I have to go do some errands with the Land Rover. So today I'm going to be mostly towing this box trailer. My father built this in the late 70s, early 80s. So this is as old as I am. So it's been refurbished a few times, but it's about ready for another refurbish. But it works just fine. And it sort of suits the Land Rover, don't you think? Sort of angle iron construction looks about right. Oh yeah, and you see the doors are on. And the Land Rover door's closed itself. Look at that, automatic door closing, very modern. And my favourite addition has appeared from the depths of the old garden. sort of strange about a Land Rover, towing the remains of a Land Rover to go to the scrapyard. So this was supposed to be a replacement chassis that turned out to be a little bit more frilly than expected. So is going to the great Land Rover dealership in the sky.
Holy.
Look at this, Land Rover's finest filigree. Really. Just to think, this is the same engine that was in that AC Cobra replica. 3.5 litre Rover V8, although I don't know if that was running on twin SUs, it might have had an EFI system, which this did originally have, but the EFI was complicated and non-functional, so we've gone back to twin SUs. But yeah, same engine, very different application.
But which V8 sounds better?
It sounds good. It really does sound good. Right, there we go. Land Rover's made it to the scrapyard and back, which is the important thing. Right, the next thing is I'm actually driving to Dartmoor, and then I'm driving back from Dartmoor tomorrow. But then we're going to take what's here out for a little drive. Here is, of course, the Fiat. So hopefully we're taking this out to a little thing this weekend. So that'd be nice to actually see it out and running. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.